If you're over 50 and want to burn belly fat, but high-impact exercise hurts your knees, this gentle approach may surprise you. No jumping, no floor workouts, just slow, safe movement you can do at home. Real problems facing Americans over 50. If you're over 50, belly fat often feels stubborn. You may not be eating much more than before, but your waistline keeps changing. And many people say, I want to burn belly fat, but my knees can't handle workouts. I'm afraid of hurting my joints. I need something gentle, but real. Here's something important to understand. After 50, belly fat is not just about food. It's about stress, breathing, posture, and how safely you move. That's why today we'll talk about what Tai Chi walking really is, why it works differently, and how it helps burn belly fat safely at home. Why belly fat is harder. After 50, as we age, our bodies change. Metabolism slows down. Stress hormones rise. Muscles around the waist weaken. Breathing becomes shallow. When the body stays stressed, it holds onto belly fat. Fast or intense exercise can actually make this worse. So the goal is not to push harder. The goal is to calm the nervous system, improve circulation, gently activate the core, and move without fear. This is where Tai Chi walking becomes powerful. What is Tai Chi walking? So let's answer an important question. What is Tai Chi walking? Tai Chi walking is a slow, controlled way of walking, based on traditional Tai Chi principles. It is not regular walking. You don't rush. You don't swing wildly. You don't push through pain. Instead, you take small, mindful steps. Shift your weight slowly. Keep your knees soft. Keep your spine tall. And move with calm breathing. Every step is intentional. Tai Chi walking teaches your body how to move with balance, stay relaxed, and engage deep muscles, especially around the belly. That's why it's so effective for adults over 50. Why Tai Chi walking helps burn belly fat. Tai Chi walking works because it sends a different signal to your body. Instead of stress, it signals safety. When your body feels safe, stress hormones decrease, digestion improves, fat storage slows, and deep abdominal muscles activate naturally. These deep muscles don't respond to fast movement. They respond to slow, controlled movement. That's exactly what Tai Chi walking provides. Step 1. Safe starting posture. Let's begin with your posture. Stand in a comfortable position. Feet hip-width apart. Knees soft, not locked. Stand tall. Imagine a gentle string lifting the top of your head. Relax your shoulders. Let your arms hang naturally. Place one hand lightly on your lower belly. Now, inhale slowly through your nose for 3 to 4 seconds. Allow your belly to gently expand. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 to 5 seconds. Let your belly relax. Repeat 5 to 8 slow breaths. Stay in this posture for about 1 to 2 minutes. No rushing, no forcing. This relaxed posture is essential. A relaxed body burns belly fat more effectively than a stressed body. Step 2. Tai Chi Walking movement. Now, let's begin the Tai Chi walking movement. First, make sure you feel stable. Slowly shift your body weight onto your left foot. Do not rush. Wait until you truly feel balanced. When you feel steady, step your right foot forward. Take a short step. Do not step far. Let your heel touch the floor first. Then gently place the entire foot down. Pause for 1 moment. Now, slowly shift your body weight forward onto your right foot. Feel your foot connecting with the ground. Keep your knees soft. Keep your spine tall. Next, repeat the same movement on the other side. Shift your weight onto your right foot. Step your left foot forward with a short step. Heel touches first. Pause. Then slowly transfer your weight forward. As you practice Tai Chi walking, remember 3 key points. Small steps, slow movement. Stay calm. You are not trying to walk fast. You are not trying to do high-intensity exercise. You are training your body to move efficiently and safely. This slow and controlled weight shifting gently activates your core muscles, your hips, your thighs, and your waistline. Continue walking in this way for 10 to 15 steps on each side, moving slowly and with control. If you feel tired or unsteady, stop and rest. In Tai Chi, safety always comes before speed. Step 3. Breathing while walking. Now, let's add breathing to your Tai Chi walking. Breathing is just as important as the steps. As you prepare to take a step, inhale slowly through your nose. Do not rush the breath. Let it feel calm and natural. As you shift your weight forward and step, exhale slowly through your mouth. Let the breath flow out gently. Do not force it. On each exhale, allow your belly to soften and draw in slightly. No tightening, no pushing. Think quietly to yourself. Soft belly, slow breath. Your breathing should stay smooth and steady, even if your steps are small. If your breath feels rushed, slow your walking down. In Tai Chi walking, the breath leads the movement, not the other way around. This slow breathing helps your body calm the nervous system, reduce stress hormones, improve digestion, support healthy belly fat release. Remember, after 50, belly fat responds better to calm movement, not fast or intense exercise. Continue walking slowly, matching one gentle breath to each step. Stay relaxed. Stay present. If you ever feel short of breath, stop walking, stand still, and take 2 or 3 slow breaths before continuing. In Tai Chi walking, comfort and safety always come first. Step 4. How long to practice and pace. Now, Let's talk about how long to practice and how fast to move. With Tai Chi Walking, more is not better. For most adults over 50, 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough to start. If your body feels comfortable, you can slowly increase to 10 to 15 minutes. There is no need to practice longer than that. The most important thing is consistency, not intensity. Move at a pace where you can breathe comfortably. You can talk in short sentences. Your body feels calm, not strained. If you feel rushed, slow down. If you feel tired, stop and rest. In Tai Chi Walking, slow is not weak. Slow movement allows your joints, muscles, and nervous system to work together. This steady pace helps improve balance, reduce stress, support healthy belly fat loss. Try to practice at the same time each day, if possible. Even a short daily session is more effective than a long session once a week. Listen to your body. It will tell you when to move and when to stop. Why? Practicing at home works so well. At home, you move without pressure. No rushing, no comparison, no fear of falling. When your body feels safe, it responds better. That's why Tai Chi walking at home is ideal for knee discomfort, balance concerns, low energy days, beginners after 50. What results to expect? With regular practice, many people notice belly feels less tight and bloated. Waistline slowly reduces posture, improves. Walking feels easier. Confidence increases. This is not quick weight loss. This is healthy, sustainable change. Final message. After 50, your body doesn't need punishment. It needs gentle movement, calm breathing, and daily consistency. Tai Chi Walking is not about pushing harder. It's about moving smarter. If you're just getting started, explore our Tai Chi Walking playlist designed specifically for adults over 50. Move slowly, stay relaxed, and listen to your body